Hello everyone. If you are being frustrated by the size of the projection from your iPad to a projector screen, I have a few different options that I'd like to show you in this video here. Stay tuned. First, right now you'll notice I'm sharing just my home screen, and you can kind of take note of the current size. Now, because of the resolution of the iPad compared to the projector, it is a little bit smaller. Now, if I go to one of the apps like Notability, you can see that my projection gets much bigger because it has a presentation mode that goes to a resolution that matches the projector. But we can still do better for other apps as well, because you might be interested in projecting something like your Canvas page on Safari or anything like that, and that's a little bit smaller. So we are going to grab our white Epson projector remote, and we're going to go ahead and hit the menu button, and we're going to go hit down, and on signal here we're going to hit the OK or enter button in the middle. And you can see right now my aspect ratio is on 16:9, and so we have other options. Full makes it a little bit bigger. Zoom, not so great. Native, though, is a much bigger image here. So that option might be helpful. Now, you might end up with a situation where now that you've done this, the image is going like up onto your wall above or below. And if that's the case, we're gonna go back to our menu, and I'm gonna go down twice to settings, and I like to use the quick corner. So if you hit quick corner here, and then you can choose quick corner, it's pointing you to the four corners of your projection. So if I click on this one, which is the upper left, I then have the ability, and you can see I can raise and lower that corner. So I can press the up arrow, I'm gonna bring it all the way up to that corner as much as I can. You might also want to look to see, do you have a straight line on the edge here? Can I go left at all? I can go left a tiny bit as well. So you have some options like that for trying to make this fit as perfectly as you can. And once you're done, you hit enter, and then you can go back to the other corners as well and keep playing with them until you've got it as big as you can and also fitting on your space. So that is one way that you can make your screen a little bit bigger. And just to compare this, let's look at Notability still. So Notability is now too big, actually. If I look at what that's projecting, it's actually way bigger than what's on my screen here. So if you're using Notability, you could change up here from presentation mode back to screen. And now it is a tiny bit, I'm trying to compare my screen, you can see there's a little bit of information that is off the screen still. So it's not a perfect match there. So you could choose which one is your preference, or if you are really so inclined, you could maybe instead of choosing native, choose full. And if I choose full, I can go to presentation mode, and here I don't see anything off my screen. But that one, everything I see here is everything I see there, but it's a little bit smaller. So if you want to toggle back between full and native, that is an option for you if you're interested. Hope this helps.